everybody, this is Anna James here from Lexus of Jacksonville in the technology department, and today I'm here to show you how you can do the remote start using your Lexus app and the key fob. With that being said, let's get started.
Using your key fob to remotely start your Lexus is as easy as pressing the lock button 3 times, leaving space in between each press. On the third press, you'll press and hold your lock button and release when the amber lights in the headlight cluster of your Lexus start to flash. Using your Lexus app to remotely start your Lexus is even easier after completing the first time sign-in. First, you'll want to create a Lexus account. You can use an existing Apple ID, Google account, or Facebook account to make registering easier. After creating and verifying your account, you'll then want to add your Lexus. This can be done either by manually entering your vehicle's VIN or by using the camera icon to scan the VIN in the driver's side door jamb of your Lexus. Here you'll be able to name your Lexus, set the preferred dealer, and check its inform capabilities. Lastly, you'll want to review the terms and conditions so you can be on your way to using the Lexus app to remotely start your vehicle. To remotely start your Lexus using the app, all you have to do is simply press and hold the start engine button.
Alright everybody, that concludes today's video on how you can remote start your vehicle using the Lexus app and the key fob. Thank you for watching.